Okay, so recording has been started. So,
Okay.
in this class,
Hmm.
what we are going to see,
Hmm.
earlier we saw about creating tables, creating data dictionary, and uh, then creating tables. And on the top of that, we inserted one record uh, with insert into values. Okay,
Hmm.
insert into medical shop one dot values like this. Okay, like this. Then we see different type of the concept of SQL statements. Okay, so basically we are dealing with insert, so it is a DML statement. Okay, so we are dealing with DML statement. Okay, so just I wanted to tell you one more method in while inserting. Okay,
Okay.
just one more method I want to tell you in this case, in this scenario. So if you are entering more than one record, so
Hmm.
what will you do? You will just copy it,
Hmm.
and this one, and just you make changes like this,
Hmm.
and that is okay, and that is okay. This is another way of doing this, but I will tell you one more way how you can do that.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so in that case you need not to provide every time insert into medical values up till this.
Hmm. Hmm.
Just apply this one by
Hmm.
placing some commas. So I will, what
Hmm.
for more beauty, I will
Hmm.
put that in next line.
Hmm.
And by the way, this is called a tuple. Okay,
Hmm.
anything comes
Hmm.
between the small braces are known
Hmm.
as tuple. Okay,
Okay.
so you
Hmm.
will define different type of tuples.
Hmm.
So first record has already been inserted.
Hmm.
Let me put three more records.
Hmm.
So another one is Sham.
Hmm.
So Sham, it's 20,000, and let me copy this.
Hmm.
This is another way of doing
Hmm.
this. So one more item I would like to tell you: Sham, Dinesh,
Hmm.
and Suresh. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, and now all are male. Let me pass it as Sita.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, and she is female, and suppose her salary is 40,000. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is the case. You can pass tuple wise record. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
it's very simple.
Hmm.
It's not rocket science. uh,
Yeah.
and in other word, you can write like this as well if you want. It means it's completely your choice. I will not say that this method is good or this method is
Hmm.
bad, because
Hmm.
you can do it in both the ways.
Hmm.
Whatever you want, like this as well, you can write it as
Hmm.
this, like this as well. But the thing is that you are not going to complete in this one line. This is one statement. Okay,
Hmm.
and these
Hmm.
are three statements.
Okay.
Are you getting this?
Yes,
This
sir.
is only one statement
Hmm.
separated by comma. Okay,
Hmm.
three tuples you are passing. Okay,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
these are three different statements. The only difference is that
Hmm.
this is the only difference. Otherwise, there is no difference between
Hmm.
these two sets of command.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, because on semicolon the statement terminates.
Hmm.
Okay, after that new statement will be start.
Second. Hmm.
Okay, so both ways, whatever you like you can do. I am
Hmm.
currently explaining this one, so
Hmm.
let me run this one. So
Okay.
I will go by uh, use medical shop dot one.
Hmm.
Let me run this, or just I will first show
Hmm.
you that whether the record exists or not. So this is the only record you can see. Okay.
Hmm.
So I'm going to insert these three records.
Okay.
So just three records at once you have entered. Now just
Hmm.
select a star from and you can see all the three
Hmm.
records have come.
Okay.
Okay. And by the way, if I want to truncate
Hmm.
it, suppose suppose let me show you if you can
Hmm.
run it. I'm just running it at once. Are you
Hmm.
getting this? I'm
Yes.
just running it at once.
Hmm.
So let me first truncate the table.
Hmm.
I will explain. This is the truncate. I'm
Hmm.
using the DDL. What
Hmm.
does truncate do? Truncate just flush out all the
Hmm.
records from the table at once.
Okay.
Okay, in one go. Just
Hmm.
you see truncate.
Hmm.
This, okay,
Hmm.
just run it and when you select a star from, you will see nothing. Just in one, it will flush out everything. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
everything just in one go.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so now so
Hmm.
now just let me first insert via this,
Hmm.
and then we will insert via this, and we will check records one by one. The
Hmm.
first insert by this, if
Hmm.
all the four records have inserted at once,
Hmm.
and let me run it, and yes,
Hmm.
it has been
Hmm.
inserted at once. Okay,
Okay.
now
Hmm.
again I'm going to truncate this,
Hmm.
and you can see if record is there or not. No record is
Hmm.
there, and now
Hmm.
I'm running this command. Okay,
Hmm.
means
Okay.
four statement command.
Hmm.
This was one statement command, and
Hmm.
now I'm running four statement command.
Hmm.
And you can see
Hmm.
when I insert,
Hmm.
four inserted, one row affected,
Hmm.
and you can see
Hmm.
select a star from, and four records have been inserted.
Hmm.
So this is the difference what I wanted to tell you in today's class.
Okay.
So that's a play you can do.
Hmm.
What I will suggest,
Hmm.
just just try to insert at least
Hmm.
three to four records in each table.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
and then we will see more
Hmm.
aspects of the selector statement.
Okay.
Apart from this,
Hmm.
I'm going to tell you,
Hmm.
since we have time,
Hmm.
I will tell you how to load a record.
Okay.
Load a record.
Hmm.
Okay, load a record. Insert into specific columns. Okay, not load a
Hmm.
record. Insert
Hmm.
into a specific column. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
suppose another record you want to insert. Okay, but
Hmm.
for limited columns. Suppose you
Hmm.
don't want to insert for this
Hmm.
column, for
Hmm.
this column.
Hmm.
Okay, for this column.
Okay.
uh, so in that case what you will do, in that case, what what the suggestion is, just pass the column name here. Okay, insert into medical shop 1.emp, and now suppose I want to insert id. Name I forgot, so I will not insert name. Okay,
Okay.
and I will insert gender and salary. And most important,
Hmm.
pass the exact actual column name. There should be no mistake here. Okay,
Okay.
and now you just insert those value which are there. So just one, I insert 1005, and gender is suppose female, and salary is 50,000. Okay, and let's see if it runs.
Okay.
And now you will see that this record has been inserted with the null values in those columns which was not
Hmm.
listed. I will let you know what the null value is. The null value is simply an unknown thing, which the value is not known. Okay, okay. In general terms, you can say it's empty value.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a very special way of entering the records. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So this method is a
Hmm.
generic method. Okay, when this is a very generic method, I have already I have told you right now. Okay, so
Okay.
with this you can enter the only those columns record whose values are known to you. Okay, if you don't know this value and suppose you update it in future, for future reference, in future you will update here, because suppose the name is not known. Okay, or the email is not known. Suppose in a company you are working, and suppose some employee, like me, like I am selected for XYZ company. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So let me put my name so that you will get more understanding, clear understanding about this. Let me put my name. Okay, ID, name, uh, not ID, name, gender, salary. Okay, the name is Satyam. I will tell you what is going on. Gender is
Hmm.
male, and salary is, suppose I am selected, I don't put myself in a less salary. So let me put at 60,000 at
Okay.
least. So
Okay.
now suppose I am what I am doing here. What I am doing here, I am an employee who is selected for your company. Okay, you have hired me for 60,000 rupees per month. Okay, you know my name, you know my gender, but you don't know my email, because email has not been generated yet for the company. Okay,
Correct.
are you getting it?
Yes,
What,
sir.
when email will be generated? After
After
I,
joining.
yeah, after I joining. When ID will be generated? After I
After
join the
joining.
company. Correct? Right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
many employee do absconding. Okay, many
Hmm.
employee join by for only for 1 day, 2 day, and they abscond.
Hmm.
Okay, so those record, those ID will not be generated. Okay, why you will
Hmm.
generate an ID of for an flew person, absconding person?
Hmm.
Okay, so ID and email are such things which will be generated 2 or 3 days later. Okay,
Hmm.
in that case, if you're not going to if you're not willing to provide that, and if you're willing to provide, update it later, you can do this kind of stuffs. Now let me run this query, and when I run this, you will see name is there, gender is there, salary is there, but ID and email is not there. We will update it for future reference. We'll update that.
Hmm.
Okay, so this was a very good stuff, takeaway for today.
Hmm.
So this is a very good takeaway for today. So just try to insert for whatever you have shown me for the data dictionary you have created. That was perfect. And just try to insert at least 3 records or 4 records in each. Okay, using
Okay.
today's tricks.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then we'll meet tomorrow with some next kind of stuffs. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.